y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, that out the AUDIOZONE here at Extreme Raceway with the Novacain again. After the event that we went to, we had a great time with it. We still got a lot of things to play with her, man. But we're doing what we have to do, man. We're here at the track today, see if we get some runs in. Get y'all some footage. I set up the GoPros today. I set up the 360, so we get y'all some more footage, and we're gonna be bringing you a lot more track with the AUDIOZONE, with the Audio 5, with another car that might be coming in. And also the Novacain, so stay tuned and we get you some racing today. So we out here in Ennis, man. Ferris, Texas. We're at the Extreme Raceway. We ran into a guy here named Fatboy, and we can't tell you everything he has. All I can tell you that he is very, very, very fast. We're gonna have a good time here. We actually made a good contact. I got a phone number, because there's the people that do this a lot, the people that play with this a lot are the ones that been through the downside and know where to go and how to get these done. So it's about making contact. Now, what you want to tell the camera on YouTube today?
Hey man, the Nova's gonna whoop my butt.
He's talking that cat, man. Listen, tell everybody a little bit about your car. How long you owned your car?
4 years.
4 years.
1978 Malibu.
And you had it with
LS power.
LS power.
4 9-inch rear. What else? Nitrous. And as you can see, it's ragged. It's beat up.
You know what? It's not that it's beat up. It's made to get people and make you think one way. Yeah. And then he fly. The truth is, the last pass he had, the car used to be red, but it went so fast the paint flew off and rusted immediately. That's what happened. But he's running I guess a big block.
Small block.
Small block board over LS.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go have fun. LS is where I want to go to Novacain. Y'all know it's a Gen 1 right now, but I definitely want to go to LS. And y'all about to see, because we're gonna go line up and have some fun, man. See what happens between the two. But definitely LS is what could be coming to the Novacain. As soon as my father give me some money, which is Bonsai Runner. Look at Bonsai Runner here today, y'all. But when he gives me the credit card that I can use, I'm gonna go and put an LS in there.
And maybe Papa's sponsor me too.
You know what I'm saying, man? It's sponsored by Bonsai Runner, man. But we're gonna get out there, have some footage for y'all, and just see what happens, like have some fun. We'll see you up there, boss. Yes, sir. So we'll see what happens. My son's gonna run you, let's go have some fun. Okay.
Gonna dial in.
Wait, shit.
Yeah.
The scariest race I've ever seen my Nova do, but he kept it, bro. He kept it going. But we're gonna go see what happens. Let's get into the race now. Breath right now because I'm running to get the results. They're saying Isaac won. I didn't see no lights flashing, but That Nova went side to side. I got scared. He almost hit the wall at one point. But Isaac could drive. He did his thing and he kept it in there. And I think we got the W. We're about to find out. Stay tuned. Hey, Cruise Crew, so we got Buns out running for the first time. That was a scary race.
Oh yeah, it was.
That car went side to side. You can see on this footage right now.
I was sending prayers right there.
Yeah, I bet you were. I was more than sending prayers. I was actually dripping down my pants because I was scared as hell. But you know what? Shout out to AUDIOZONE, brother. You got some drive. Come here, brother. I need some attention. You got some driving skills. We have to. Can we give him props, ladies? Can we get a cheerleading? Can we get some cheerleading for him? Can we get some cheerleading for him here? We got Black Battle Cat up in the building, Mr. Rob. What do you think? I got a question for you. No cap, no playing around. What do you think about the driving skills of AUDIOZONE today on that track?
I had to give it to him. He did a smart thing. He let out of it because he drove the car well, but he did was smart. He let out of it, so that's good.
I'll tell you, I feel
that's
the
very
same way,
smart.
so I'm really grateful, man. But you know what? If what it's about is having a good time, I'm glad the Nova is still in one piece because I was scared.
Hey, and whoever's going May 1st, appreciate you. I'll see y'all May 1st. Battle Cat will be in the building. The car.
The Black Battle Cat car.
The car will be
7:30 a.m. in Irving. We're leaving on Saturday, May 1st at the Irving Mall, 7:30. We're gonna be out there, man. Yes, we're gonna be out there with our going the whole cruise to Oklahoma. Y'all been seeing the post on Instagram, but we'll throw it up on YouTube now, man. Come out if you want to have a good time. A bunch of YouTubers gonna be riding out. A lot of small YouTubers, a lot of big YouTubers. We're gonna have a good time with all our cars, man. So Battle Cat,
Hey,
we'll see you.
Put this burnout on the video.
Let's go. Let's see what you got.
Ready?
Yeah.
Burnout. Now run over to
Look at that burnout, y'all. Look at that. Damn, look at that smoke. D Watts, come over here, brother. We got my boy D Watts 32. What is it? Hold on. D Watts 72 up in the building. What do you got to say about the driving skills of AUDIOZONE in that run?
He drove the hell out of it.
He drove it.
Yeah.
He did a good job not crashing that wall.
Oh yeah.
Bro, D Watts, you going out on May 1st?
Yeah, I'll be
We're
there.
gonna be out there too, man. So everybody here watching the race today, we got, come here. Oh well, Micah's over there hiding, all of them hiding, but AUDIOZONE, let's do a couple things real quick. AUDIOZONE did his thing today, man. He got a little camera shy, but we gotta really give you credit, Papa. You drove the hell out of that car, and you did a good job by not hitting that wall today. It was a scary experience, biggest wheelie the car's ever done, but you drove it. So you know what? Shout out to AUDIOZONE for the great driving. Then we got Buns out run over here. What do you gotta say about this this that just happened?
It was something, Jeff. That was a hell of a race.
That was a hell of a race.
I was
It a close
amazed
race.
that we.
And he let out, but
I
it
was
was still a close
scared, but
race.
he let out. Yeah.
But you know what, guys? It's all about fun and gang. I'm gonna see if I get him to run again. Stay tuned, and we'll see if we're either gonna get this going or ending it, y'all.
That's what you're gonna drive with.
We're here with Fatboy, man. I'm gonna tell you something right now. We're just chit-chatting about that. I literally almost... I probably have to go check myself in the bathroom, I'm not gonna lie. But when I saw that car get so close to the wall, it was scary feelings. But you could drive, my brother. You were on it, I got all kinds of angles. You could drive, you took the race. That was a great... I want to run you again if we could.
Yeah, we'll do something.
When?
We can do something in a minute.
Today?
Yeah.
Then let's do it.
Yeah, I'm finna try to add some more power in it. See, I'm gonna go talk to my tuner.
That's
real
fine.
quick.
That's fine. We could. He already got it one. We're gonna go do it again. But I'll tell you something right now. That was a scary ass feeling. He drove it. Gotta give him.
He trying to pull a slick one on me, but I got something for
Listen,
him.
bro. What you talking
Got
about?
something
Okay,
for
now,
him.
hold on. Why am I pulling a slick one on you?
Hey, his car left like this. Talking about a 350.
Come here. Come on.
Hey, you can't tell nothing about the
Well,
ball.
of course you can. I would not. Come here. I don't lie. I don't lie, Fatboy. Fatboy, I don't lie. I don't lie. All right, Chris, get this here. I don't lie. I believe I don't lie. I make friends, not enemies, brother.
Hey, you ain't gonna make no enemy.
650 small block. Charge heads, like I told you. Intake manifold. Car road. Nothing to lie about.
Aftermarket
You thought I
block.
was lying to you.
Aftermarket block.
Yeah, I blew the original one, I blew it out. So the fastest thing I could find was, and this is actually not even the right one, but I bought it from someone. It's a regular dog, it wasn't even expensive. But she runs pretty good. I mean, she
But
definitely
it's
does
not a
pretty good.
regular 350. It's an aftermarket block.
It's a 350 block. They're gonna expect the one that this car originally has the oil dipstick on this side, which is a better block. But they didn't have it in stock, and they were gonna have it until June. So I bought the cheaper one, which is this side, which is it's a Gen 1, but it's the 83 model. You know what it is? That's pretty much it. But that's what she has.
You need to
No
put some
lie.
limiters on here.
Oh, big
you
time.
do. You
No,
got-
I don't have enough though. It lifts up too much.
No, these right here.
Yep.
You need to take these stoppers out and put you a long bolt.
On 5/8.
Yeah, like that. Long
That's what
bow
they tell me.
with
I
two
gotta do
nuts.
it. So it stops doing that whole wheelie thing.
It controls the front.
I know. They told me to do it. I just haven't had time to play with her, but I definitely have to do it because I tell you something right now. He took off and he went almost towards your lane, and then when he straightened out, he went towards the left.
and then it
He
did this.
almost hit the wall. I don't know if you got to see that. You didn't get to see it. He got so close. He literally got about that far from the wall. I literally.
How long you been driving?
Not that long, brother. He just is in him. We street race a lot. He's known as Audio Fox on the internet. He drives. I give him credit because you drove the shit out of this car today. I thought it was gonna go against the wall, man, but you did. I said, you know what? Let's just go and have fun, man. We have fun, but it was a scary experience. But you move, brother.
It's gonna be a lot better when I figure it out.
That's why I want to go LS.
It should be a 4-second car when I get there.
Oh, that could be real fast. This is not there. You know that this is not there. You know what this did today. You know, but I mean,
It's running in fives.
she's running the fast. She's running. There's no line about it. But she does all right. I want to make it faster though. I definitely want to get this out of that lesson, man. But you know, if you want to run it back, let's do it for fun. I mean, you're gonna turn it up more, so you're gonna beat us even more now. But it's all right,
I don't know.
bro.
You go straight,
Ain't no
it's gonna be
tuning
damn
here.
good.
Ain't no tuning here. It can be scary. Stay tuned if we have this rerun with Fatboy. Let's do it. I mean, it's for fun. You're gonna whoop my ass again. True. At this point in time, we tried to run with Fatboy, but I guess he's not gonna run us this time around. He was surprised that the car was a 350. I had to show him the car really is a 350, man. Isaac drove the hell out of it, so we got to give Audio Fox all the credit in the world for doing his thing, man. So we're gonna end this video today, man. Telling y'all thank y'all for watching, thank y'all for the support. Stay tuned for many more videos, man. We keep on racing with the Novacain and the AUDIOZONE when I get out and having fun. But y'all be good. God bless.